In today's video, we're going to be adding central locking to this rear tailgate on this VW Amarok. Good morning, guys. I hope we're all keeping well. Something a little bit different for us today, something that we've not done before, but quite excited about it. 2017 VW Amarok, quite well spec'd up, and it's one thing that we've always noticed with the Amarok is that the rear tailgate is never part of the central locking system. So at the moment, it's locked. Unlock the vehicle. Double press to unlock all the doors. And still nothing. It seems really old style tech that we have to still use a key to drop it in there to then open it and then open it like that and then close it. And then if you keep your tools in it, especially if you keep forgetting to lock it, then you're leaving your vehicle open to being nicked, really, because you lock it. And there you go. It's still there, and they can nick your tools and all that sort of stuff. So today's retrofit is an aftermarket kit, but we're going to be adding this locking system to the central locking, so that when you use the key, it's going to unlock it and lock it and all this sort of stuff. So we're going to, if we get time, we're going to try and film a how-to as a separate video, but it might be done on the next one once we've got round the eyes of this kit. But we will, halfway through, if we get a chance, I'll come down and see where we're at with it all, just to give you an idea of what we're working with and then show you the end result. Okay, so as promised, we are about halfway through on the tailgate central locking upgrade. So this truck is also having a reverse camera handle being fitted. Hopefully you might be able to just about see it just there, and there's the camera. So we're doing it at the same time just to help, and we're going to do a video later on about that other one. So this is the old original handle where you've got the standard locking mechanism just going on there. Anything you see that's silver and red and wiring, this is what we've fitted. Because there's no electrics in this part of the tailgate, we're having to run all that through. So what we fitted, the locking mech unit, which is here, which is this plate, and then the actuator here. We've heat shrunk this just to protect the connections, so that it doesn't get wet if it was ever possible. And yeah, so when you do that, it's a much stiffer system. But also you can see the bolt that would then come across just here and shoot across to lock it in place. And Richard is now running the wiring along through the tailgate, and he's just popped up to here, and he's going to be picking up his power connections and his CAN connections for the central locking system, so then it will all hook up nice and neatly. As well as doing that, he's also running the AV cable for the camera, just to kill two birds with one stone. So what we'll do is, when it's all done and dusted, we'll jump back in and show you how it's all working compared to last time. Okie doke, so the new handle is in. As like I said, we're also doing another upgrade on this at the same time, which is the Amarok reverse camera in the grab handle, because we're fitting an Alpine system, and this is what we wanted. So vehicle's locked, tailgate won't open, unlock, can hear the clonk. And there we go. So as I said, it's a bit messy, this rear area, load area. So all the mech has gone in, all the wiring has gone through into the network of the vehicle, so it's all part of the same system now. Still stays open. You can isolate it, which is quite cool still. So if you want to go back to how it was, you lock it. Can't open it. So if you get used to it, we'll lock the vehicle. Still can't do anything. Unlock it, and it's still locked until you then, so it's like a double feature almost, in an essence. So yeah, a really cool little upgrade, not that expensive. We are going to film a how-to on the next one, so make sure you stay tuned, and I will link it in this video and on one of the cards at the end of the video, so you can go straight to it. If you've got a Volkswagen Amarok and you'd like to do something like this or an upgrade the mech unit, then get in touch with us. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you sub to the channel, it really does help us out, and smash a like in and hit that bell notification, and thanks.